Welcome to my channel. Today I will make a family recipe called Pepe Peyara Shorbot or Papaya Guava drink. In this video, I have shown 4 ways to have it. It can be served as a Shorbot or refreshment drink, frozen cubes that can be carried during traveling or outdoor activities, cocktail and mocktail. It not only quenches our thirst during hot summers, it's also very healthy and tasty. It can be given to children. It can be served at party for guests as well. Please watch till the end as I give many tips, recommendations, explanations and alternatives. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and click the bell icon. I have taken diced ripe guava, 2 cups. Skin is peeled off. We can also use the skin. I have also taken diced ripe papaya, 2 cups. Skin is peeled off, seeds are removed. Transfer the fruits to a mixer and grinder. Add sugar, 2 tablespoons, black salt or beetnoon, 2 teaspoons, green chili, 1 optional, lemon juice, 2 teaspoons, and water, 2½ cups. Grind them in mixer and grinder into fine paste. Check in between for any lumps. Alternate. We can also grind all fruits with some water, then add masalas. This is how the fruit juice looks. It's thick. However, we can add water and make it thinner as per our taste. I like thick juice. Taste it. Add whatever is required as per taste. Add salt, ½ teaspoon, and mix it. Put a strainer on a large bowl. Pour the juice into the strainer. Shake the strainer so that the juice drips into the bowl. Alternate. We can also stir a spoon in the juice to make the dripping faster. This is how the juice looks. We have got 5 cups of thick juice. There are 4 ways we can serve it. As refreshment drink or shorbot, put some ice in a glass and pour the juice. Serve it cool. We can decorate with a slice of lime, umbrella, straw. As cubes, I have poured the juice in an ice tray and froze it into juice cubes. We can carry them with us during traveling and our outdoor activities. We can add cold water with these cubes and drink it. Decorate with a slice of lime, umbrella, straw, or anything that we want to decorate with. As mocktail, we can have the juice cubes with Sprite or any other cold drinks. Alternate. Instead of cubes, juice can also be added with Sprite. We can decorate with a slice of lime, umbrella, straw, etc. As cocktail, we can have the juice cubes with vodka or any other hard drink. Alternate. Instead of cubes, juice can also be added with vodka. We can decorate with a slice of lime, umbrella, straw, etc. It serves about 4+ people. Please make it at home and let me know how it was. I would love to know about it. Please like, subscribe, share and comment below. You can follow me on social media with my channel name. I will be back with a new tasty recipe. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy, and enjoy life. Bye.